Hey folks, this is question 5. We have to complete the square here. That's what that thing always means. G of x is equal to, I'm just going to write the 5 outside, so it's going to be 5, and then factorizing out the 5, so it's x squared plus 4x minus, just leave it as 12 over 5. Then in here I'm going to complete the square. That means I'm going to take the 4, which I'm always taking the thing that's in front of the x. I'm going to divide it by 2, which gives me 2, and then square it, which gives me 4. I always do that. I take what's in front of the x, or the x coefficient, and I divide it by 2 and then square it, and that gives me what I add and subtract. So it'll be 5x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 12 over 5 minus 4. And so I'm adding on 4 and subtracting 4 in there. That's how we complete the square. Then the first bit will turn into a perfect square. It'll be 5, so it'll be x plus 2, all to be squared. And then minus 12 over 5 minus 4. You just have to combine them two things on the calculator. And that is, so it's minus 6.4. Now the 5 is still outside the bracket. They don't want it exactly in that form. They want you to multiply the 5 by the 6.4. So it'll still be 5 times the x plus 2 squared. We're not multiplying it into that. But 5 multiplied by 6.4, you'll have to do on the calculator. And it gives you 32, so minus 32. Now this bit, we have to use the rules of logs. Now the first thing, it's all of what's in here is being raised to the power of 5. Therefore I'm going to use the power log first of all. And I'm going to put the 5 down in front, so it would be 5 ln e to the power of 3 p. So that's the first thing. Then I'm going to split it up. I'm going to use the kind of first one, the multiplying one, where you can split it up into two things being added. So that would be 5 ln e to the 3 plus 5 ln p. And then we're nearly done. So the second part is okay now. The d is going to be 5. So the second part looks like that, looks normal. The first part, you can put all of that into the calculator. 5 ln e to the power of 3. Actually, you won't even need to. You can use the power rule again. You can put the 3 down in front. And when the 3 becomes multiplied by 5, it becomes 15 ln e. Now, ln e is just 1. Therefore, it's just going to be 15 plus 5 ln p. And that's it. Right, here then, we have simultaneous equations, but there's an n in it where we don't really want. Now the biggest thing in this is that one of the solutions is on the y-axis. If a solution is on the y-axis, well then x has to be equal to 0 everywhere on the y-axis. So if we take the top equation there, I'm going to put 0 in instead of x. Therefore, minus y is equal to 7, so y is equal to minus 7, multiply across by minus 1. Therefore, 0 minus 7 is a point that is on both of these. It's on that, and it's on that. Therefore, if we take the bottom one then, I'm going to sub in the point 0 minus 7, and that's all we have to do. We get 0 squared plus minus 7 plus 2 times minus 7 squared is equal to n. So minus 7 plus, that's 2 times 49, so that's 98 is equal to n. 91 is equal to n. What we have to do.